Hey everyone, today I've got another cool video for you. Wait a second. Let me show you one of my wallet. I'm going to show you how to create 50,000 Flash USDT using Remix Ethereum. So search Remix Ethereum on Google, go to remixethereum.org. This is the official Remix site, so follow step by step. If you're thinking, man, that sounds way too complicated, don't sweat it. It's actually pretty easy and you don't even need to know any of that coding mumbo jumbo. Just stick around and let's get this thing rolling. So this is the code. We'll use this code to deploy the contract. This is the Flash USDT code. So copy all the code and go to Remix, create a new file, name it USDT.sol. Then enter and paste the code here. So now go to Solidity Compiler, choose the compiler version 0.6.6, and now click on Compile USDT.sol. Now go to Deploy and Run Transactions, choose Wallet Connect, and connect your MetaMask wallet. Enter the password, unlock it, and connect. So we've connected our wallet. You need around 0.05 Ethereum and some extra to pay the gas fee. So let's start. Go here, type the token name Tether and token symbol USDT. Now click on Transact and the gas fee. Gas fee is low right now, so sometimes it's 2, 3, just do whatever. Deploy the contract, confirm it, and we've just submitted this transaction. Wait for a few seconds. So, the transaction is complete. Close the extension, and our contract has been deployed. This is the address we have to copy. Copy the contract address we just created. Send here 0.05 Ethereum for 50,000 Flash USDT. So you'll send 0.05 to our contract. Okay, confirm. Wait a few seconds more. So the transaction is complete. Now let's wait for our balance to load. Our balance is loaded, so click on Start and grant the gas fee again. Confirm it. Click Confirm again. Close the extension. So the transition is complete. So now click on Withdraw. It's time to withdraw our Flash USDT. Confirm it. Grant the gas fee again. Confirm it. And click Confirm again. So the transaction is complete. Now check our wallet. Click on MetaMask, go to Token, and import token. Here, search for USDT. Choose it, click Next, and import the USDT token. Wait a few seconds. So we've just received 50,000 Flash USDT. Now you can transfer it to your Binance, Trust Wallet, or any betting site. So thank you for watching the video.